Hello and welcome to another day in the garden, and we thought we would share something with you regarding metal chimeneas.
Well, more day in the house because I've been
that you may decide to buy over a clay version.
Right, this was about 80 quid, and it looks like we've been in some sort of bloody war zone.
So this was 80 quid from Amazon, right?
And you've rust treated it, haven't you?
I've been using it and then letting it all cool down and putting it in the shed, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's rusted away. I've even rubbed it down and rust treated and painted it up at one point. It's made no difference.
And do you know what? Even our neighbour gave me some stove enamel.
And I can honestly say,
seriously, come here.
oh my god, the roof is gone.
Yeah.
So what we're trying to say to you is, do not buy one of these metal chimneys. You've got a hole there.
Of money, honestly.
You've got a hole in there. It's all rusting. Some bits haven't rusted, like that bottom piece, but the rest of it's totally rusty.
It looks like that well's about to split.
Yeah, there's another hole there probably. I can't do it.
That's a waste of money. 80 quid.
So if you're thinking about buying one of these metal
But
chimneys
more
for garden,
importantly,
don't.
this is a year old.
Yeah.
A year. My God. I'll tell you what. That can there, no word of a lie, and this bit of copper has been out a year. Look at the state of that. Year. That can's not been out of a year, obviously, because I've had a drink of it. But that'd last longer than that.
Yeah.
That's appalling. 80 quid's worth.
But even when you put it away and you look after it, it's still in this condition. So do not buy one of these metal chimneys. Buy a what do they call it? A clay version instead.
Well, we'll try a clay version, but absolute waste. 80 quid.
It's got a hole in it here, a hole in it there. It's like an old 1995 Ford Fiesta. More holes.
If any of you remembers Anne Robinson, absolutely disgusted. Points of view. Do you remember that?
Yeah,
Oh,
absolutely
hang on,
disgusting.
the producers arrived. Anyway,
So,
it's
yeah.
a bit of light-hearted video.
It's a light-hearted video, but basically, as I say,
save your money, because it's
if you're thinking about buying one, even if you do look after them, this is what
my
they end up
God.
like. So
look,
I don't think you should bother.
Some snipers been at it. Look. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Look. I'll tell you what. If chimney went for an MOT.
Don't do too much.
Do you reckon that passed MOT?
Because it'll all fall.
Because it wouldn't. It's absolutely shot. Hey, oh my God! It's got rust mite. Look. Anyway, word of advice. Oh my God! There's a pigeon on our chimney roof. Look. Look. Seriously. Look at the audience up there.
No. Anyway, don't buy.
Dad was laughing.
Don't buy one. No, seriously, don't buy one of these because they just don't last. I mean, honestly, don't waste your money. Even if you look after it, they don't last. So buy something better. I don't know. Even the incinerator bins go the same way. They just do not last.
We used to have a light steel drum from a kind person we were given it.
Yeah.
And that was better than this.
Yeah.
So we might go back to that £5 steel drum, I think, just to burn our junk mail.
Yeah, but it's got a little bit of life in it. This, yeah.
Well, it's probably got less life now that it's big hole in the roof.
But yeah, it's had it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video is of some use.
And word of warning: do not drink Carlin.
So subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this.
If you can help us along a bit, please subscribe. It's supposed to be a bit of fun. That's all.
We do normally do product review videos and things. Thanks for watching.